In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print General Ledger in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report and how to send it to your printer without any confusion. First, open QuickBooks and head to the Reports area. Move your cursor over the Reports option to reveal the reporting sections. This is the hub for all your financial statements and detailed lists, and it's where the General Ledger lives. Next, click on the Standard Reports section. Standard Reports are the built-in, ready-to-use templates that QuickBooks provides. They're organized and searchable, which makes finding what you need much faster. In the search field at the top of the Standard Reports page, type the word General. This narrows the list to anything related to that term and is the quickest way to pull up the ledger without scrolling through categories. When you see General Ledger in the results, click it to open the report. The General Ledger shows every transaction grouped by account, giving you a complete trail of activity. It's the go-to report when you need to trace entries, confirm balances, or provide support for month-end and year-end reviews. Once the report loads, take a quick glance to make sure it's displaying what you expect. You'll see accounts listed with transactions, dates, and running balances. If your list looks long, that's normal for a ledger, since it captures detailed movements for each account. Now it's time to print. Look toward the top right of the report for the small printer icon. Click that print icon to open your browser's print preview. This is where you can confirm the page layout before sending it to paper. You'll typically see a preview of the pages along with options for the printer, number of copies, color or black and white, and orientation. Finally, click Print in the print window. Your browser will send the job to the selected printer. If you're working paperless or need to share the ledger electronically, you can choose your browser's as PDF option in the same window instead of a physical printer, so you can email or store the file securely. A couple of quick tips as you print. If the columns look compressed or cut off, switch the orientation to landscape or reduce the scale slightly so all columns fit. If the print window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. And if you want cleaner pages, you can turn off headers and footers in the print settings. That's it. Open Reports, go to Standard, search General, open General Ledger, click the print icon, and then print. You're all set to produce a clean, professional ledger whenever you need it.